This is the ultimate guide to getting clients from LinkedIn content marketing. All right, I want to get right to this. You know that content marketing on LinkedIn is a great way to extend your reach, to build your brand, to build relationships with people who are unknown to you right now. It's a great way to showcase that you are the sole source for the solutions that people are seeking. So I want to give you 3 things you can start doing right now so that you get more clients from LinkedIn content marketing. What's up, everybody? It's Prouty, and for the last 23 years, I have had thousands of paying clients come to me to help them wildly grow their businesses. These are people who can impact lives and simply want to profit doing something that they love. So I help them do that, but not in a way like you might think. You're here watching this video to learn how to get new clients into your business. I create training like this every single week. If you'd like to jump the line and get this training before anyone else, now is the time to subscribe to this channel. You'd be surprised how few people actually answer the burning questions that their prospects have in their content. Most people spend time talking about themselves and their own accomplishments. I have interesting news for you. Your perfect prospects don't care about that. What they care about is learning how you can help them. They're interested in learning about the transformation that you can provide. They have a problem. You can solve that problem, and they want to be educated in what that looks like. So the very first strategy that I'm going to give you is to create highly educational content for your market. Let's make sure we're using the right modality for the message that we're sending. Now, modality is a complex word. What it really means is, are you creating a post? Are you writing an article? Is this a newsletter? Is it a video? Is it long form? Is it short form? Is this a direct message that you're sending someone? Those are all of the different modalities that exist on LinkedIn. Your job is to figure out which modality is right for your message. From a high level, if you're sharing very quick content like an update or a quick tip, a post is valuable. A post is a valuable modality to do that. If you're sharing more long-form content, that should be in the form of an article, a long-form video. If you're sharing multiple pieces of content, that's a great thing for a LinkedIn newsletter. Your job is to figure out what modality is right for the content that you're going to share. That's going to help get your content in front of people in the right place based on the content that you're creating. This is a key to content marketing that very few people use, but it's an important one to use because it allows the system to put your content in the right place at the right time. The third way that you can improve your LinkedIn content marketing is to make all of your content all about them. Always showcasing what's important to your prospects. It is very easy to talk about ourselves and our own stuff, but as I've said before, people don't care about that. As much as you'd like them to, they just don't. Go ahead and head over to Instagram and your Facebook personal and post all of your accomplishments or the food that you're eating or the great vacation that you're on or the car that you're driving. Really, your prospects don't care about that at all. It's a hard message for a lot of people to accept, but it's true. Make your content all about them. That's when things start to really open up for you. And I'd like to share with you one tip that you can start to use today to really improve your LinkedIn content marketing. But before I do, I created an on-demand workshop. It's right here. It's proutyclass.com. It shows you a new way to start getting clients from social media, including LinkedIn. You're going to get a lot out of this workshop, and it's going to show you that step-by-step strategy. You can start watching the moment you land on this page. Just go to proutyclass.com, check out that workshop. Let me know what you learned and how you're going to apply what you learned once you watch that. All right, if I had to give you one tip that you could start using today that's going to open things up for you, it would be to create a LinkedIn newsletter. A LinkedIn newsletter is a LinkedIn article that gets broadcast to your newsletter subscribers on the LinkedIn platform. Only 0.2% of people use LinkedIn articles, and even fewer take those articles and broadcast them out as a newsletter. So if you want to stand out, if you want to be first to market with something that you offer, a LinkedIn newsletter is going to get it in front of the people who care about it most instantly. So my tip to you, create a LinkedIn newsletter. And while what I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing you need right now. YouTube thinks this video is going to help you, so you should probably check that out. But before you do, click on my face so that you get first access to every new training I create.